12-Minute Affiliate System is an affiliate marketing program that works on actionable and easy steps to help beginners make money without necessarily having to start a website. Apart from your daily earnings, you can make more income by starting an online business. Most people believe making money online is not an easy task. This is why only a few people are venturing into it. 12-Minute Affiliate cannot be said to be a magic money-making program. However, it can help you make up to $460 in just a day, just as the name suggests. In this 12-Minute Affiliate review, we use simple and easy steps provided by 12-Minute Affiliate to help you make money online in a minimum time. Subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification button to discover more on how to make money online. 12-Minute Affiliate System is an affiliate marketing program that works on actionable steps to help beginners make money without having a website, YouTube channel, or any marketing platform. The program provides you with all the necessary tools you need, from training funnels to nifty support and products. In simple terms, the 12-Minute Affiliate System works with orders from website visitors. When the system runs, you get the commission through 3 simple steps. First, you personalize it. Get a few visitors from the traffic, and the system will automatically provide you with leads. The 12-Minute Affiliate program is a ClickBank product that seeks to help users make money through affiliate marketing. 12-Minute Affiliate Marketing Platform helps you create an opt-in page where you have your affiliate links, after which it sends out a bunch of emails with different offers. When people click the link on your email list and make a purchase, you get a commission. ClickBank is one of the markets in the industry that manages 12-minute affiliate marketing. However, if you do not own a ClickBank account already, you will need to create one. All you need to do is go to ClickBank Marketplace under the e-business category under affiliate marketing. You can find products by typing 12-minute affiliate, where there is no whitelisting required, and you can begin marketing your product as soon as you have an affiliate account. Furthermore, the commission rate is 50% on the upfront, upsells, and monthly recurring in most cases. As stated in this 12-minute affiliate review, the system is 100% certified to help you find a way to make money. Place your order and get a targeted niche for your landing page. After purchasing the 12-minute affiliate marketing system, the first thing to do is create an account and load the pre-made emails and landing pages into your autoresponder section. After that, activate the pre-made funnels and then get traffic. You are likely to complete the process in 12 minutes. The traffic will run through your funnel, which begins with the 12-minute affiliate system's landing pages. Once the process is completed, you can sit back and cash your proceeds from ClickBank. Well, the process is simple. Being an affiliate of 12-minute affiliate means you are an immediate person selling the products developed by others and getting the commission depending on the said product's price. 12-minute affiliate has a predetermined system that acts as a platform that connects the hosts and sellers. The program is all about promoting the link or setting up your single website. 12-minute affiliate allows you to promote the link, which has an opt-in email option and is sent via the email link. When you click the link and purchase the product, a given percentage of the product is credited to your account. 12-minute affiliate also helps add traffic to a website depending on the purchase plan you choose. The 12-minute affiliate marketing program is suitable for anyone looking to make money online. 12-minute affiliate marketing system is most suitable for people who 1. Are looking to make money on an online platform but do not have a product or service of their own. 2. Are not ready to come up with content or create a sales funnel. 3. Want to earn an income without having to deal with customer support. 4. Trying to make an income online without previous success. 5. For people who looking to earn a commission daily. 12-minute affiliate grants you ways to make money on your own, which is too much for some people, or buy a done-for-you system, as is mostly preferred by users. Many ClickBank products come and go, making it difficult to promote their product on a long-term basis. The 12-minute affiliate system is, for sure, an evergreen niche because of the membership aspect. It is not expected to move away from ClickBank anytime soon. To start 12 minutes affiliate review, here are steps to follow. Step 1. Create an affiliate account. The first thing you must do is set up an affiliate account, a process that will take approximately 2 minutes. To find products to promote and earn affiliate commissions. In this case, you will be signing up for clickbank.com, one of the best online business spaces with a dozen niches to choose from. The primary purpose of opening an affiliate account is to promote your products on ClickBank, which this system seeks to generate traffic. Step 2. Get an autoresponder. This online business tool lets you build your email list and promote your affiliate products on full autopilot. Setting the auto responsibility will take approximately 2 minutes. 12-minute affiliate aweber.com. The cost of opening the account will cost you not more than $19.99 per month for the first 500 subscribers. By the time you reach that point, you will be earning somewhere around $500 every month. This idea is that you will generate wonders per subscriber, which can be higher in some cases. Aweber.com has a 30 days one-time free trial. If you add this to the 60-day money-back guarantee given by 12-minute affiliate, there are 0 risks in trying out this product. Step 3. Set up an autoresponder. The next process involves adding each email to your series manually. If you have used the autoresponder before, you will certainly enjoy sending mail on day 1 and then sending another on the second day. Although the process sounds difficult, 12-minute affiliate makes it super easy as it gives you an import key you can use to add auto-generated emails with your affiliate links into your Aweber account. If you are new to this, completing this process will take you 10-15 minutes. However, you will not take more than 5 minutes to complete it once you understand how it works and how to generate traffic. There is an alternative option where you let the 12-minute affiliate team set up your Aweber, but you need to do it by yourself to have a better understanding of how the system works. Step 4. Activate your 12-minute affiliate funnels. The sales funnel pages are super easy to set up. First, you select the 3 niches: personal development, online business, and health. Select your template, make a few customizations, and you will have built yourself several funnels to play around with, all of which are set to earn you commissions. The best part about 12-minute affiliate is that you do not require your website to be hosted in their account. Also, you will not spend tons of money setting it up as well. You will need to pay a one-time fee that is reasonably low. After that, you will not have to pay to get traffic. Step 5. Get done for you traffic. In this step, you will choose a niche you want. For 12-minute affiliate sales to send traffic to you, select the number of visitors to activate the process. You need to understand that traffic on the internet comes in one of 2 things: paid and instant, or free or time-consuming. 12-minute affiliate system focuses on paid traffic, which is more comfortable than learning how to perform search engine optimization or other free traffic generations. As mentioned on the product's official website, the process is simple. 1. Select the type of traffic niche you want. 2. Choose how many visitors you want. 3. Go ahead and send them. It is important to understand that other free traffic methods like SEO are not as easy as people think. You will need to spend a lot of time learning and understanding how to go about it. Things like preparing content, writing, buying, or building backlinks are not easy to process. Furthermore, many business models require you to invest a lot of time and money for them to succeed. Like any other business, you will have to start small and hope to grow the business. Your niche choice will be determined by the type of product you are looking to promote. It's good to note that the product of your choice will determine how the landing page will look. Even though the steps mentioned above may look tedious, they are simpler than you think. Here is a summary of what you need to do. 1. Buy the product. 2. Sign up for the account. 3. Set up the system by creating an affiliate account, setting up your autoresponder, and finally driving traffic to your landing pages. 4. Start earning affiliate commissions. Advantage of the 12-minute affiliate. 1. Extremely simple to use. 12-minute affiliate money-making method is simple to use as it does not require much expertise. 1. Experienced marketing experts do all that 12-minute affiliate offers, from the sales page, the opt-in pages, name, email, website sequence, the traffic, and other factors. 1. You will not have to spend many hours or thousands of dollars starting everything from scratch. 2. 12-minute affiliates are filled with information on various subjects to help you scale up your income better. 2. Some of these factors include 3. Latest marketing strategies. 4. Maintaining the right mindset. 5. High conversion affiliate offers. 6. ClickBank updates. 7. An alternative paid traffic generating methods. 8. Hot products. 9. Legitimate business model. As stated in this 12-minute affiliate review, affiliate marketing is genuine and fit for anybody to use. 9. As epitomized in this 12-minute affiliate review, affiliate marketing is a legitimate business model that people use. 9. However, it works long-term when people are honest and genuinely help people to solve their problems. 9. The more you read this 12-minute review, the more you will realize the truth about the program. 10. Largely active community. As indicated earlier in this post, once you join the 12-minute affiliate, you gain private access to the members-only Facebook group, where you can leave a reply. 10. The Facebook group had more than 3,000 members spread across the world. 10. This means that no matter where you live or the time of the day, you are almost guaranteed prompt solutions to your issues, and you can continue working on your business without interruptions. 10. Regardless of your business line, nothing is more comforting than getting instant answers to questions, setbacks, and frustrations from people in the same business line as you. 10. The 12-minute affiliate system is free to join and the difference between success. 12-minute affiliate is not a scam and can help you find a way to make money online. Usually, people are suspicious about programs that promise fast and easy money. 12-minute affiliate has a track record that can help you make money quickly and generate unimaginable traffic to your website. As mentioned earlier, the 12-minute affiliate system is relatively affordable. The developer offers 3 payment and membership options. 1. Test drive the whole system. 2. Basic monthly membership. For 3. Basic lifetime membership. 4. Gold lifetime membership. The difference between gold membership and basic membership is that the basic one allows you to promote 1 out of 3 niches that the 12-minute affiliate system offers. If you choose to go for the basic plan, you will have a chance to promote the Make Money Online niche, weight loss fitness niche, or personal development niche. Note that no plan will provide all 3 plans. With the basic and gold memberships, you get the landing pages and the products they recommend. If you are looking at promoting all 3 niches at once, you will have to upgrade to the basic and gold membership plan. For beginners, we suggest that you avoid promoting all 3 niches from the start, as this is likely to overwhelm you. How to join 12-minute affiliate and the upgrade process. Now that you know the pros and cons of this program, we suggest you have the basic monthly plan done for you. After that, take your time, set up everything yourself, and get started. As you move on, observe the results and enjoy the whole process. If you like the 12-minute affiliate program and want to specialize in promoting a specific niche, you should consider upgrading your membership to Basic Lifetime. Doing this will save you a lot of money in the long term, as paying for the basic package per month for the first 1.5 years is likely to cost you more than twice the cost of a Basic Lifetime, which means you will be adding affiliate links to the products you will be marketing. Later on, you can upgrade to membership to start experimenting and promoting the other 2 niches when you gain enough experience. Looking at the pros and cons of these 12 minutes, you can use the system as a full-time job to enhance your sales page. Check the playlist of my video on how to make money online and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.